Welcome to my channel. In today's video, it is all about a Valentine's Day desserts, part of the monthly desserts collaboration, which is being hosted by Angel over at Homemaking in Alaska. So it is that time again for us to share with you our monthly desserts. This month it is a Valentine's Day theme, which is hosted by Angel over at Homemaking in Alaska. Be sure to check her out and the playlist. You will find all of the links in my description box. I am gonna go ahead and make a heart-shaped filled puff pastry. Very simple. This should take about 20 minutes for you to prepare and make. So before you start cutting your pastry dough, make sure to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And then you're going to start cutting out your puff pastry. Now you can use multiple sizes. You can make them big, small, medium. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to play around with it. I'm going to make big hearts, little hearts. And then you're going to take some egg wash and you are going to brush your puff pastry so that it can get that nice and golden color. And what I did was I cut smaller hearts just to kind of place them on top, kind of just to experiment with it to see how it comes out. Once you brush on the egg wash, you are going to place it in your oven for 15 minutes. Once the puff pastries are done, all you have to do is just open them up carefully, and then you are going to go ahead and fill them with your fruit preserves, but you can use practically any filling you want. You can use pudding, you can use Cool Whip. I mean, the possibilities are endless. So I'm going to open them up carefully. I am going to go ahead and add in my fruit preserves, and then I will use some powdered sugar to kind of give it a little bit more oomph. This is a very easy and quick dessert to make, especially if you want to do something special for your family while celebrating Valentine's Day. This also can serve as a nice little treat for co-workers or teachers, family, friends, or taking them to church. I went ahead and purchased a heart tin box from Walmart, and that is what I'm going to use to put my little pastries in, and they are just the cutest little thing. Once again, this is part of a collaboration, so make sure to check out the playlist as well as the host for this month's collaboration, which is Angel over at Homemaking in Alaska. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And there you have it, my friend, a very simple but heart-filled, with love, dessert. Make sure to check out that playlist once again, and I will catch you all in the next video. Bye.